Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing effect by adding video inside text in Premiere Pro. This effect has been used in many Hollywood movies such as Dunkirk, Skyfall and many more. Without any delay, let's get started. And here I have already imported and added my footage to sequence timeline. Next, select this text tool and type any text. And here I have added this text on top of my video layer. We can also adjust the text layer to align with the duration of video layer. Now we can go to Essential Graphics and customize font type, color, size and other properties. Now select our video layer, go to Effect and search Track Matte Key and apply this effect to the video layer on timeline. Now select our video layer and go to Effect Controls, and here we will see Track Matte Key effect, and under this effect we have option to set matte, and here we need to set this matte to our text layer. The matte in this case is our text which is sitting on the V2 layer, so we will select video 2 and there you have it. We have successfully added video inside text. We can further add more effects like lightning, music, glow and lot of other things. For today we are done. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon.